Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add friends on Zynga Poker. To add friends on Zynga Poker, start by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. It looks like two people standing by side, right next to the gift icon. This will open your friends panel, where you can see your active buddies and any pending requests. To invite someone new, tap on the Referrals tab. Here you'll find your unique referral code. Go ahead and copy it. Share that code with the friend you want to add. On their end, they'll open the same referrals tab and tap redeem. Once they paste your code and hit submit, assuming they're new to Singa Poker, they'll be added as your friend instantly. It's simple, effective, and a great way to expand your poker network. Don't forget, inviting friends can also earn you some bonus chips along the way. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.